Hello, morning guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new episode. In today's episode we're going to be working on airbags. If you remember the last episode, we tore down the front end of the car, we fixed up some wires, we got it running. Well, since then I got a delivery of complete dash, complete airbag kit, and if you haven't seen my video of me collecting all of that stuff, I'll put the card up above, check it out. It's a good video of me driving around London collecting all of my bits for the car. So the plan for today is I want to strip out my old dashboard, put in my new one, change out my seat belts, and hopefully do a bit of programming, get all of that sorted. So I'm gonna bring you along with me. Guys, let's get into it. Rewind. Not quite yet. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have commented, liked, subscribed to my channel. My brand new channel, I'm only just getting started, and in the past couple of days I've reached a massive milestone for me. I've reached 100 subscribers. Now, some channels that might be, you know, a stone's throw in the pond, but for me that's a massive achievement. So I just want to thank each and every one of you. I love in the comments, I love interacting with you guys, I love doing what I do, and I'm glad that you guys appreciate watching my content. So if this is the kind of content that you like, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, meet me in the oven. Now we can get on with it. Right guys, so the first thing I want to do, I want to tackle the steering wheel, and like I said in my last video, this is an upgraded S3 steering wheel that whoever had this car before, you put the S3 steering wheel in there. I've been unable to find at a reasonable price. I can find it, but it's at extortionate prices, the S3 airbag. The kit that I bought has come with a standard A3 airbag, and I'll explain to you what I'm going to do about that later. For now, I'm going to take this off. But I've got my trusty sidekick with me today. I brought my son along. He's just turned 14 a couple of days ago, and he said to me, "Dad, I want to be with you in the video, and I want to help you fix your car." So here he is. Jay, say hello.
Hey guys.
Right, so let's get into it. And there's a little clip inside that you need to just prise open. And that's it, blown airbag removed. Now I want to show you the difference between this airbag and the airbag that I've got. Thank you. So this is what a standard Audi A3 airbag looks like. This is what Audi S3 airbag looks like. Completely different. There's no way that's going to fit there. I wish it could, because it looks pretty good with the flat bottom. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the steering wheel off. I'm actually got a buyer for this one, and I'm going to put a standard Audi S3 steering wheel, because I just want to get this car back to a standard that is good enough and safe enough to drive and to sell. And I don't want to spend the extra 200 quid. So the cheapest that I found one of these airbags for was 295. If any of you guys can find a cheaper one, let me know. But for now, I want to utilize the airbag that came with my kit. So I need to change this out, put in my S-Line steering wheel. Alright guys, so what I've managed to do so far is remove my driver airbag. I thought I was going to have to take this off right now, but I was able to take off the bottom assembly of the dashboard, and you can see what that looks like. So then the dash should literally just lift over the steering wheel. It's pretty easy. Number 8 and number 10 screws and nuts and bolts. And if you remember guys, in the last video my hands got really dirty, so this time around I remembered to go pick up some mechanic gloves. I need to nip to the shops to get the keys to open up the radials. There's some flat bladed keys if you look right there. If you've ever got an Audi and you want to remove your radio, just 1, 2, 3, 4. special blades you can get from Halfords, and that will come straight up. Let's continue on the other side. I need to remove this middle bit section, disassemble that. Let's move on. Because it's got the Bose audio system, I've got to remove, be careful with the tweeters up here. Remove that. It's always that one screw hidden. Hidden. Right guys, so just managed to take out the passenger side airbag now. Pretty easy. Number 10 nuts, and it was able to drop down. As you can see, it's finished, completely finished. I just need to hold it and take my time as I unplug it. Can you see that yellow plug? I just need to lift the clip, lift the orange clip first, then squeeze it at the side, and out it comes. So this is what an airbag looks like after it's blown off. So this is all compacted inside, that's all tucked inside. When the night slip happens, that poof bursts out, there your airbag, and it pops through the dash, ruining everything, but saving a life, potentially. So out with this one. There you go, Joe.
Thank you. That's heavy.
Yes, very
heavy.
Very heavy. Now I can continue tearing down this middle section. And guys, remember, I've still got the competition going. I know I said I was going to do it this week, but I feel like traction is now starting to build with this build. People are just starting to get into the comments, and I'm watching your comments every day, guys, and I feel like a lot of you are getting very close, and I'm not going to say if you've won or not, but I love it. Just keep trying and keep it going. Let's see. Alright guys, so I had to nip out to get these. These are some radio removal keys. They're not in pretty good condition, but they'll get the job done. And it's just got lots of different types and lots of different keys for different types of radios, different types of car makes, what's not. But for the Audi uses the blade types, so I'll just need one on that side and another on this side. So I hate these, they get hooked in the clips. So if you can see, it's got a little hook and it goes inside and the hook. So I'm going to do this side now. I've just heard that clip. And this side, I've just heard that clip. Oh, there it is.
So that came off.
And once they clip, it's hard to get them out of the clips. Guys, by the time I finish recording and editing this video, you guys are going to see it in a couple of days on YouTube. But if you want an inside scoop, make sure you follow me on Instagram at D3GBO. Follow me on Instagram, guys, and you'll get a quick inside scoop on Instagram. So guys, it's almost there. It's just this little area. I remember I actually broke one of these in an old car that I'd done. So what it is, it's got these little hidden nuts right up underneath, and what you need to do, you need to get an Allen key like that and push it up inside, and then that allows you to take this out. And once this is out, then this should free up a little bit more space to allow this to come out. But I've just realised I need to take these panels off, so let me do that. Hallelujah. Oh God. So this is it, guys. This is what the car looks like without the dashboard. I just need to transfer my vents, transfer these two sensors here. And if you look underneath, I've got a speaker because this has got the Bose. This is the model with the Bose system inside. So I've got to take out these speakers. And that is what it looks like. Right guys, so the weather has kind of picked up today in the UK. It's scorching all of a sudden. So yeah, I had to shed a few layers. But got my new one, got my old dash. I literally just need to go through and transfer any sensors, any vents that I need from this one, which is my old one, to that one. So let's get into that. So there you have it, guys. I've transferred 4 vents, I've transferred a few sensors. Now the new one came with these buttons, but my buttons are in better condition. These are still in okay condition. If you have a look here, you can see that little dent from the glass holder. I don't want that on my car. I'll use the ones that's in there. So let's take these ones out, and then yeah, we'll be ready to put this in. I've transferred everything over to my new dash. I'm ready to put it in. Now, I just like to let it drop in position, and then I can go under and connect up all the sensors, all of the connections that needs to go in, and then I can bolt it all down. Right guys, update time. So passenger side airbag installed, radio installed, nice and solid. I'm just gonna install my AC controls and my heating controls, and then I can move on to that side. There you go guys, there you have it. Dashboard is completed. belts in this video, but as you can see the seat belts are completely locked. I need to take off this rear panel, and the rear because it's a 3-door, the rear panel goes all the way in the back, and I've still got the front rads and headlights and all bunch of crap in the back seat. So I'll do them in the next video. They definitely need to be done, but I'll do them in the next video. So in the next video I'm going to be putting on my front radiator pack, completing the wiring on the front end, tidying up everything on the front end, and getting it ready to go to the paint shop. So guys, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Oops, that was not meant to happen. Still, if you enjoyed that video guys, remember to give me a thumbs up. If there's the kind of content that you like to see, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because the next video is going to be epic. It's been a pleasure. It's been a long day today, and I'll catch you in the next video.